Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it, as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to make an avocado dip. So let's start. Here is the ingredients: avocado, garlic, salt, chili. Chili is optional, and lemon juice, and olive oil. Olive oil is also optional, and yogurt. Now I'm going to cut this. Oh, okay. So I'm going to put this using a spoon. Take the avocado out and pick this out. All you need to do is you need to pick up very soft avocado. When you go to buy, you just need to see and then touch it and feel it. You can feel it's soft, then it's ready. Okay. Now the next step is going to take a blender and put all the avocados. After this, I'm going to put lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, 1 chili, which is optional, and yogurt, half cup of yogurt, and 1 clove of garlic, and 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to blend it. Okay, after I blend it, this is how it looks like. You can always So this is how it looks like, and you can always put a little bit of olive oil, and our avocado dip is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it, as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for your time, and see you next time. Bye bye.